As you edge towards the end of your app design, there's a few things you should be aware of that can potentially have your app rejected in the App Store. As a designer, it's your job to ensure everything you've handed over doesn't cause problems with the app approval process. There's a few problems I've run into in my time as a UI designer that I want to make you aware of before you have a similar problem. Graphically, you have to be careful that the icons you're using do not belong to Apple. Some of the icons commonly used on the web, such as podcast and RSS feed icons, actually belong to Apple, and using them within your app infringes their copyright. The other problem I had was that I was asked to create a design for a native application, but the developers actually didn't make it natively, but instead via a web view. The result was an app that looked like it should behave in a certain way with smooth transitions and Apple-like gestures, but actually behaved more like a website and often would lock up and crash. After this early project, I ensured I knew exactly how the development team would be building, so I could design what would be expected accordingly. Although development might not be your thing, or even in the remit of what you're being tasked with, ensure you know enough about it to be able to adapt your designs to fit the best user experience.